Modern Samsung dishwashers are sophisticated appliances equipped with advanced technology. Understanding how to properly reset your dishwasher is essential for maintaining optimal performance and resolving common issues. The latest Samsung dishwashers feature SmartThings integration for remote control, AI-powered error detection that can predict issues before they become critical, and enhanced self-diagnostic systems for precise troubleshooting. There are three primary methods to reset your Samsung dishwasher: a hard reset, a control panel reset, and a factory reset. Each method serves different purposes and resolves different types of issues. The hard reset, also called a power cycle, is the most basic reset method. Simply disconnect the power cord from the outlet and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dishwasher's internal systems to fully reset and clear any temporary software glitches. During the waiting period, the dishwasher's memory clears and all temporary errors are reset. This method resolves 60 to 70% of common operational issues. The control panel reset involves pressing specific button combinations while the dishwasher is powered on. The most common combination is pressing start and select buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. Different Samsung models may require different button combinations. Some models use heavy plus delicate buttons, while others use sanitize plus delay start. Check your model's manual for the specific combination. A factory reset is the most comprehensive reset method. It returns the dishwasher to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom preferences, saved cycles, and SmartThings data. While factory reset is highly effective for persistent software problems with an 85% success rate, it should be used as a last resort due to complete data loss. Knowing when to use each reset method is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Start with a hard reset for any error code or operational issue. Use control panel reset for display problems or frozen controls. Reserve factory reset for persistent software problems that other methods cannot resolve. Understanding these reset methods will help you maintain your Samsung dishwasher's optimal performance and resolve most common issues without requiring a service call. Samsung dishwashers use specific error codes to help you identify and resolve different issues. Understanding these codes is the first step to successful troubleshooting. The three most common error categories are water supply issues indicated by 4E or 4C codes, drainage problems shown as 5E or 5C, and various sensor malfunctions with codes like 1E, 3E, or 6E. Modern Samsung dishwashers display these error codes clearly on their digital panels, making it easy to identify the specific issue you're dealing with. Let's walk through a specific example. A persistent 5E error code indicates drainage issues and often requires a combination approach for successful resolution. Samsung's SmartThings app provides advanced troubleshooting capabilities, allowing you to diagnose and reset your dishwasher remotely through your smartphone. Understanding user behavior and success rates helps optimize your troubleshooting approach. Studies show that only 31% of users consult their manual before attempting a reset, yet models with clearer error displays achieve 23% higher success rates. Regular maintenance significantly increases reset effectiveness by 34%. Proper upkeep prevents many error codes from occurring and ensures your troubleshooting efforts are more successful when issues do arise. Remember, successful troubleshooting combines understanding error codes, following proper reset procedures, utilizing available technology like the SmartThings app, and maintaining your dishwasher regularly for optimal performance.